The world in the year 2050. If you haven't retired by then, the world will be a very different place from how it is today. The vision of the future for workers ranges from a pessimistic view of robots taking our jobs to an idealistic view of artificial intelligence eliminating repetitive tasks. This will free humans to think, create, and act. But what do the experts think it will really be like? Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Future. Today, we will see a world in the year 2050. What will be the position of robots by that time? Stay with us until the end to see your future, and if you're new, hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay up to date in the future. Let's get started. First one is, robots have rights too. It is predicted by Ian Pearson. Ian has been a full-time futurologist for over 25 years, tracking and predicting developments across a wide range of technology, business, society, politics and the environment. In the city center, we see a picket line of robots. Their placards are plastered with binary code slogans. Because of the widespread development of robots and artificial intelligence, a legal framework to protect and regulate the rights of intelligent robots has been developed. As a result, this code is constantly updated and improved, ensuring that robots have greater rights in our society. Secondly, we will have a personal assistants for life. It is predicted by Alexei Malinov. Personal assistants have grown in popularity throughout the 21st century. To begin with, they could only answer simple questions. Voice assistants in 2019 were as stupid as a box of rocks. But by 2025, they'd mastered the art of recognizing and transcribing speech, complete with punctuation marks. They could understand the meaning of a text and recite it with such realism that it was almost indistinguishable from a human. This resulted in the automation of half of all office tasks. PA began to take minutes, write post-meeting reports, summarize lengthy documents, and consciously digest and recapitulate the contents of messages. They will also plan your day, schedule meetings, and even order lunch for you.
How do I project my screen?
Send an email.
Text Allison. Play music.
Next track.
Turn down the music.
Thirdly, we will have a power in our hands. Predicted by Mercy Shelley is a pseudonym of Alexei Andreev, writer and futurologist, who works for Kaspersky. Palms and fingers were once scanned for identification. Hands with sensors implanted in them are now scanners in their own right. These implants are available in a variety of models, with two main variations. The first is a simple scanner for daily use. It is useful for reading different tags and product codes, as well as exchanging digital business cards via the handshake ritual. You can use face recognition to identify a stranger, but this is considered impolite. Additionally, many people use protection to avoid recognition. Special veils on hats are popular. Second, sophisticated scanners for technicians and other professionals are available. A doctor's hand, for example, contains a variety of medical sensors for diagnostics, including a portable endoscope with a direct video stream to the doctor's visual cortex. Next, a flexible workforce. Predicted by Jacob Morgan is a best-selling author, speaker, futurist and founder of futureofworkuniversity.com. Artificial intelligence and smart assistants will be commonplace in the workplace by 2050, while the use of augmented and virtual reality will continue to grow. Everything will be smart, that is, connected and data-driven. The vast majority of us will continue to work as we do now, but the jobs available will be ones that have yet to be invented. Emotional intelligence and human skills such as perpetual learning, as well as fluency with the latest technologies, will be essential for leaders to have. And what about working hours? It depends if you're a knowledge worker or working in industries like retail. Flexible work arrangements are already being implemented at organizations around the world. The advantages are far-ranging, from improving employee satisfaction, productivity and tenure, to being able to attract and retain top talent. For sure, work will become more fun, and those repetitive activities in our day-to-day life will be done by robots and artificial intelligence. It's difficult to predict where technology will go in the future, but by looking at where we are now, we can speculate about where we might be in the next 20 years. Until recently, much of the technology we use today belonged in science fiction movies. Star Trek communicators evolved into cell phones, and replicators evolved into 3D printers. It will be exciting to see where our imagination can take us over the next 2 decades. This brings us to the end of the video. What do you think about your future self? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoy it, you can give this video a thumbs up. Bye, and have a nice day.